Hi guys, welcome to Goza Design Channel. In today's video, we are going to continue the series that we started the other time. This is where we actually got to when the other video got to an end. This is where we've gotten to so far. So in today's video, we are going to continue. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing and also do want to share this knowledge with your friends, some of your friends that are also struggling with some of this information. Okay, so we are going to continue the series by appropriate by this in by placing the various threads at their appropriate height. Okay, the various threads at their appropriate height. So without much ado, let us just start right now. So in the previous video, we did say that the first thread, this is the first thread, okay, with its post. So what we are going to do is that first of all we are going to raise all enter 180. Okay, we did establish that the rise of the staircase is 180. Is that right? So that is why we raise all by 180. Now this is go back to SE isometric so I can see properly, because you cannot afford to make any mistake at this stage. The first thread, right? The last top view. My first thread. This my first thread, this is my last thread. First thread we can, let's say, or better still, when you go to the top, the first thread is the first thread, right? There is a line there. There is no line. I did draw a line there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the property of this line. Color, let's say for instance red. As of reference. My first my first thread. What am I doing? Back again. Referencing very key. Yeah, this is my first thread. Sorry, let's see as isometric. This is my first thread here. My first thread with, so I will just from there I will just select the remaining all the remaining items. I will raise all by 180. 180. One here that I didn't and enter 180. Now I'm off the ground. We are off the ground. Let's continue. All other items selected, nothing forgotten. Not that difficult. Just a matter of being done. The selection cycle. Yeah. And actually try to pause. Try to make it a little faster. 180 so that we can gain in time. Okay. So you select all the threads in their corresponding handrail post 180, yeah, 180, because I remember the double fault. The matter of selection process, right? Okay, some few threads more, then we are done. The 180, have double our deep 180, the 180, uh, orbit command, how things are moving. That's one. Yeah. That thread supposed to be off the ground by 180. So we are going to set all 180 as we are almost through our staircase. The rise of each thread 180 thread with corresponding handrail post. Let's just check up, enter. Yes, that is all. So this brings us to the end of this video, and then see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your attention.